Now in this section we will see Tower of Hanoi. We already have seen the basic concepts of Tower of Hanoi. It is a game actually. Generally we used to play this game from our childhood. The same funda is applicable over here. So in the Tower of Hanoi, keep in mind always these three stands, these are called as panes. Okay, these are called as panes. It will be always 3. Okay, the number of discs will be changing. Either we can change 3 number of discs or 4 number of discs, 5 number of discs. Number of discs we can plus from one pane to another. So in Tower of Hanoi, what we have to do? Now the question because will come to in our mind that already the discs are played. Then what we have to do? So according to the game, we have to place all these 3 discs to the last pane. That is the game of Tower of Hanoi. Now when we are doing this, at that time there are certain conditions, or we can say there are certain rules. We can see here the discs are not of same size. Either that is larger or smaller. So according to the first rule, at one time we can only shift one disc. So either I am moving to B or C, but at one time we should move only one disc. Okay? That is our first regulation. The second is that we cannot place the larger disc on the smaller disc. See the arrangement. The larger is there, middle one is there, and then the smaller is there. So smaller will be always above the larger. Larger can't be above the smaller. These two regulations we have to use, and then we will be able to move the discs from A to C. So we will start with the first. Now this is the smaller one. So if that smaller one I will move in B, then this is the middle one. I will move in C, but I have to move from A to C. So what will happen? My number of moves will be more. And whenever you are playing Tower of Hanoi, it is advisable that your game should be completed in minimum number of moves. So what will be the smarter trick for this? That this particular smaller disc I will place over here. This is your smaller disc. Okay? And these two remaining will be as it is. So this is middle, this is larger, and this is the smaller one. So we can say for this, the move is our A to B. Is it correct? I already said that. If I will move this middle particular disc to C, that's why I am telling it in that way. If I am going to move in such a way that the smaller is here, okay, and if the middle one is here, for the explanation purpose I am telling you. Okay. Now what will happen? Larger, smaller, and the middle. But what should happen? These larger should be here. So the smarter way for that is we will be moving this smaller disc to C. So here my move becomes A to C. Now see, this is the middle, this is the larger. Now I will move this particular middle disc to B. So now you will understand it. This is my middle. This is smaller. This is larger. Okay. So my move is A to B. Right? Because we have moved this disc to this. Now, I can't move this A to B because this is larger. We can't place larger on smaller. Same way, I can't move from B to C because this is larger, this is smaller. But I can move from C to B. So this larger disk to the last page. So here are my middle and smaller disks, that is B. A will be blank because I am moving that disk over there, and here is my larger disk, that is C. So the move is from A to C. Now, according to the game, on the larger, middle should be there, then smaller should be there. So to move this middle from B to C, first I have to move the smaller disk to A. So here are my next moves that contains the three pins, that is A, B, C. I am moving this smaller disk to A. So here it becomes A. Middle will be as it is, and larger will be also as it is. So what is our move? B to A. Now very sorted. But while moving, now keep in mind we have to move this, which is a middle one, to the last page. So my next move will be, these are my pages, that is A, B and C. So I am moving the middle page, middle disk from B to C. So here we are having the last one where the larger disk is present. Then I am moving the middle one. Middle disk is there. This is C. What I have done? This middle I have shifted to C. So here my move becomes B to C. B is blank. A is having the smaller disk. Now what is remaining? This disk I will move to C. So in the next, A is blank, B is blank. For C we are already having the larger disk, then the middle disk, and I am moving this smaller disk. So this is A. So it is A to C, and see, our game is completed. Our problem is solved. All the disks from page A I have shifted to page C. So what are the total number of moves we can say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In 7 moves we have completed the task. So keep in mind these three pages will be as it is. We can shift 4 disks from 1 to the third page, 5 disks, 6 disks. Only the regulations are at one time we will shift only 1 disk, and we can't place larger disk on the smaller disk. So by using these 2 steps we can play this game Tower of Hanoi, which is nothing but application of